Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove view only mode in Google Sheets mobile. Okay, here I have my view only document. I got this document from my friend, and as you can see that this is view only document, so I cannot edit this document. So if we want to remove this view only mode, we have to make a copy of this Google Sheets file. So we can tap on this three dots button. Then we're going to tap on a share and export option, and here we can make a copy. Just tap on make a copy, and we're going to make a copy of this document on our Google Drive. Then before you make a copy, you can rename the document title right here. If you don't want to rename the document, you just need to click on OK to skip the step. Okay, and just wait until the document has been copied to your Google Drive. And wait guys. Alright, and now the document has been copied to my Google Drive, so I will be able to edit this document. For example, I'm going to enter a text. Okay, and I guess that's how we can remove view only mode in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.